everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Now, as you guys know, I did not go to CVS last week. We had a really bad storm. We stayed at a hotel, and then we went to some baby expo thing that was a complete failure. I did kind of vlog about it, but I haven't posted the vlog yet, so you guys will have to watch that when I do post it. But I was going to go to CVS, but then the roads were just so bad, and we have cars that need new tires, and it's just not really worth driving in a snowstorm just to save a couple bucks. So I'm like, I don't know, I was going to go later in the week, and then I'm just like, no, I don't want to go. The weather here has just been awful. Like last night it was raining, and then now it's going to be turned into like 2 degrees, so all that stuff's gonna freeze and we're just gonna have ice everywhere. The main roads around here are clear, but on my street it's just ice. It's just glaze of ice. But one thing I have noticed is the weeks I don't go to CVS, you guys can go to the app and you guys can see what kind of CRTs that you guys have. Well, I have probably about 10 show up, maybe a little bit more that I just add to my card and use that for future purchases. But what's funny is when I go to the store, I have to scan each card. I have 2 cards. I scan each one 4 times because I still get a long list of CRTs. So there are a lot of CRTs that print from the red machine that don't show up in my app. So I wish I would have just somehow went to the store that week. Didn't really do any couponing and just scan it. But my CVS that's closest to me is about 20-ish minutes away. So I'm just like, I got to do that. Anytime I know I'm not going to go to CVS that week, or if I'm not going to do a haul, I should just go get my coupons just because I'm missing out on some pretty good deals. So this week, I tried to do the best I could. I just didn't get a lot of CRTs. I got CRTs that printed off today, but I didn't get a lot for that, or the older ones. And my husband was just hungry. He's like, hurry up, because he knows I spend forever at CVS. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Now, you guys know I have 2 cards. Because each card has different deals. So that's why I do it. Now some of the deals are too good to pass up, and I don't like missing them, so I'll do both of them, including the Speed Stick deal. Now the Speed Stick's on sale for $2.49. We did get 50% off coupons for these. I also had a 2 off a 2 CRT for Speed Stick, and I get these all the time. I actually got them last week's CRTs, and then I got double in this week's CRT. So I had double. So I'm like, man, I should get more of those coupons and go back, because it's a pretty good deal. But you guys would end up paying $1.98 for 2 of them. That comes out to be 99 cents a piece, which could be an okay deal. But then for everyone that you buy, you get $1 register or $1 ECB, making them free. So I got all 4 of these free, 2 per card. I think that is an awesome deal. I love it when I can get free deodorant. Another deal I had to do double is the Colgate deal. Now these were $3. We did get those 50% off coupons in today's paper. I got the hiccups all of a sudden. You guys would end up paying $2.50 for the both of these, but then you guys will get $2.50 back in a CRT or an ECB, blah, blah, blah. These end up being free, so I had to do that. I love it when I can get toothpaste. You should never pay more than $0.25 for toothpaste. Actually, you should never pay for toothpaste, but there are times where you do pay for it. But I always say the stock-up price, or the price that you should always pay, is under $0.25 for toothpaste. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. Today's drink is water, because I've just been drinking water like crazy. The next deal I got is the Vaseline deal. Now, these are buy one, get one 50% off. So you can't use more than 2 of those coupons in the transaction. You just have to do different transactions. There's also a deal where you guys, I had a 3 off a 10 lotion. So I ended up doing this deal, and it turned out to be an okay deal. If I did 2 separate transactions without that CRT, it might have been a better deal, but I still did it this way. So this one was $7.99 and these are $4.69. I used two $2 off coupons for the 3 of these. I also had a 3 off a 10 digital coupon from last week, my CRTs. So I paid $8.02 for this, but then you guys will get $5 back when you spend $15 or more, making it $3.02 or just $1-ish a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. These I think should be less than $1, but this for $1 I think is a pretty good deal. And I like Vaseline, and now this has a pump on it, which I don't understand how the pump really works, but whatever. So they're changing their bottles, so we got that going on. I ended up getting the Schick Hydro Boost. I haven't bought razors there for a while. I feel like I used to get razors all the time at CVS, and now I have been kind of slacking on razors, which is okay. I've been actually wanting to try one of these razors. Like, I've been using Venus like forever, but I mean, I'm like, oh, I should just try one of these. They look pretty easy, and I don't get these very often, so I think I'm going to try it for my next razor that I use. I do empty videos every month to show you guys what products I use and what my opinion is on it. So just giving you guys that. But these were $12.49. I would use 2 $4 off coupons that we got in our inserts a couple weeks ago. You guys also have a 3 off a 12 CRT that I use, a Schick CRT. I ended up paying $13.98 for this, but then you guys will get $10 back when you spend $25 or more. I know it's crazy, but it comes out to be just $3.98 or $1.99. So I ended up doing that deal. But yeah, I actually do want to try this. I just don't know what one I want. One's the shea butter and the other one's hyperallergenic. I don't know. So got that. The next deal I did was the P&G deal. Now, I was going to do the Pantene deal with one card, but I ended up using my one Pantene coupon at Walgreens, and I still wanted to do it this way. I didn't. I don't know if I want to go back to CVS. We'll see, because there's a couple deals that I wanted to do, but I just didn't have enough coupons for it. So my coupons don't come until Monday. So, but what I ended up getting is the Herbal Essence BioRenew shampoo and conditioner. Now these were $5.99. I had a buy one get one free coupon that we just got in today's P&G, so it'll take off $5.99. I also had a $2.25 off a 10 CRT for shampoo and conditioner, so I ended up using that. The Colgate was $2.99. I used that $2 off coupon for that, and then I ended up getting the Tide Pods. Now, my area, we don't get Tide coupons at all, but there was a $2 off digital coupon that popped up, which I love, so I ended up putting that to my card. But this was $4.94. I used that $2 off digital coupon, or if you guys have that paper coupon, awesome. But you guys would pay, after the coupons and the CRT, you guys would pay $7.67 for all 4 of these items. But then you guys will get $5 back in an ECB, making it $2.67 or just 66 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. Yes, it sucks that you paid 66 cents for toothpaste, but hey, I think it's pretty good that you can get this for 66 cents, you know. So that was, I mean, basically you could get these for $2.67 and then free toothpaste if you guys think about it. But whatever, I think that was a pretty good deal. So that was my haul. I didn't get very much, but I was pretty excited to get what I got. I like getting razors and lotion stuff I don't get very often, so that's what I like to get. So I made 3 separate transactions, 2 with my old card and 1 with my other one, because you can't use certain CRTs in certain transactions. I know it's weird. Plus, I have very little CRTs. I used to have a ton. I used to always have like $50 worth, but now I probably have like about $15 worth of ECBs, I mean, not CRTs. So it's like my money has gone down, but I started doing smaller transactions, so I paid little less out of pocket. So with one transaction, my total came to $3.15. I used $9, but got $9.50 back, making it $2.65 for one card. Another card I paid, with my new card I paid $2 out of pocket. I used $7.50 worth of ECBs, but I received $9.50 back. So that was 0 money that transaction came out to. And then card number 2, 98 cents. I used $13 and I got $10 back. That came up to $3.98. If you combine all the money that I paid, it came to $6.63 for all that stuff. I got 15 items. It comes out to be just 44 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. I mean, how often can you get $12 razors, 2 sets of $12 razors, and laundry detergent and lotion, and only pay $6.63? Like, some of those items cost more than that. So I think that is a pretty good deal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all next week for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.